ladies and gentlemen, here we are, 2026 Progressive Boat Show. It's the 24th day of January 2026. It's a pretty big event. It's a lot bigger than the car show. But they have all kinds of fun stuff here. These are a smaller party barge. These are nice.
We're buying another one.
These are the ones you want. They're easy to get around in.
Honey, it's purple. We're buying.
I like the steering wheel here. So this is kind of cool. There's a bunch of stuff here. So there'll be a lot of videos. This is the first one, so bust out another 1,000. That's what the boat stands for. So let's go down here. We got all kinds of lots of people here. So I wanted to come Thursday or Friday, but my boss out of town. So look at those canoes. These are kind of fun, but you live on a lake, I get it. These are like, what are they? 22, 23 grand. They get up and go. They're like snowmobiles. It's cold. It's like 10 below 0, and somebody got murdered today by the ice. It's not bad. Smaller ones, canoe ones, it's nice. Kind of like those, those are nice. That's a cool one for 30 grand. Skidoo. Right here. This one's kind of nice. But there's a lot to see, so let's see how many I can do here. So it's kind of cool. Nice stuff. But I like this Skidoo one, small.
I'm okay about going
Nice. There are smaller ones, but you can kind of tell a whole bunch of stuff. Whole bunch. Lots of different, some pretty cool boats that's on the way in. So see Ashley from 93X is here today. She's here. But, yeah, the Yamahas. I do like those Skidoo ones. They're kind of nice. Different colors.
Yep.
These are kind of like these are kind of cool. I like these ones right here. It's a family event. People come here and look for boats. So it's kind of hard to video, but you can see all kinds of fun stuff. Look at that. Whew. Oh my goodness. These are not cheap either. I like the different colors of them. But unless you can really use them, they're nice. Have a boring color. Look at the other one, but lots of space. This is a nice boat. It's not bad. You can fish in this one. A lot of people look at the party barges. They look at them like, I don't know. I get it. Well, you come, you want to look at them boats, but you better have trying to put them on. It's kind of a cool little color here. I like this one. Lots of space. Kind of a nice one to you hang out in this one. It's kind of nice. I like it. Kind of more of a unconventional party barge, but still, it's not nice. This one's pretty. This thing is pretty cool. Holy moly! This bad boy. That's a lot of. Better buy something. You better be able to take it outside. Look at that motor. Woohoo! Get up and go, baby.
You guys didn't get your
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Kind of nice. What do you guys think about that? Look at that motor. Oh my lord. Get up into here. Oh, yeah. Very nice. I don't mind that white, but it's dirty. Nice. I've never seen these before, but probably a new kind, but a lot of different options. Not bad, boy. Whew. There's your captain's chair right there. Oh, yeah. It's kind of a kind you're gonna be in Florida, I think. $242,000 went for that bad boy. So, yeah, a lot of people come look at the party barges, and they're expensive. And as you can tell, people are on that bad boy right there, hanging out. The flamingo. Just be afraid to fish in these bad boys. It's all about just cruising on the river somewhere. These big boys. Flamingo. All these costs. These are just huge. Goodness. Bad boy. Ooh, baby. Yep. That brown pukey color. I don't know. Yeah. 124,000, and that's without trailer. Usually. I had the guy one time last year. I asked about the trailer, and he got all bitter with me. So, this is the party barge area. And then when we get the next couple of years, when we get down to the fishing ones, there's less people. But people want these. I have one in my cabin, my brother-in-law. It's a conventional one. These are ones you don't really want to fish on. This is just cruising. And you got your ring. That's kind of nice. Some used to have grills on them. Not anymore. They used to. This is something you buy. You're living in Florida. You're living on a lake. You can use it year round. You can tell. On a boat, man. Come here to buy it if you're looking for it. So let's head on down this here. I don't think it says if it is or not. I don't see any trailer, so you got that trailer on there. You're probably the motor. So that's just a boat. This thing is 60 grand, but to me it's, I don't know, no color to it. Let's go over here. These are the Skidoo ones. These are kind of small ones too. These are kind of nice. Kind of like those Skidoos. Something different. $33 grand for this one's right here. So these ones are nice. I like these. 52,000. Wow. This one's a more conventional, but nice. Got up here. Well, yeah, I don't know. It's all depending what you want and how much you're gonna use it. I kind of like this. Is kind of cool. I like that. The steering, but I like the colors. That's kind of nice. Oh, good. There's more room in this one. 38 grand. This is more of a fishing one, so it's 38 grand. Monthly payments 280. Show price bail through the 25th. Yeah, okay. They fear mongering you. It's gonna go away.
Is this one of those CDs? Yeah.
Another one. The Bennington ones are not cheap. That's 33,000, but the bigger ones of these ones are not cheap. There's your captain's chair. Go on down the stairs here.
Oh, I take it down to St. Croix and store it in the garage.
Yeah, there's plenty of them over here. And the video over here. These are the bigger ones. These things are huge. These kind of ones, if you're just gonna, you have them ship it to your lake, and you leave it there, and you don't take anywhere else. Big ones here. Pontoon. Yep, party barge. 30 grand for this bad boy. But anyways, you can see they have different style. This, I guess, this is not. I mean, you can fish on these, but it's more for cruising. It's more for cruising. But it's always fun to come here every year and look at this stuff. I don't bring steel on me anymore because I do want to buy one. So I like that. Kind of nice. They used to have grills on them. They used to years and years ago. I think it's become more and more of a liability. So yeah, there we are. Round one, you guys. So sit down in here and begin at the time of our lives. Oh, not bad at all, huh? All right, guys. Round one in the books.